In this video, we'll break down where beginners make key mistakes. I'll show you the principle behind traders who stay in the market long-term and earn consistently, rather than trade to trade. Hey everyone, you're on the Ryan Trade channel. Today I'll show you my personal method for boosting a deposit on the Pocket Options broker with a 5-second time frame. I'll try to explain it as simply and clearly as possible, so every one of you can understand it and apply this method in practice. This video is perfect for both beginners and more experienced traders. So let's not waste any time and get started trading. Before starting a trading session, I always recommend setting the candlestick chart type. It's the most optimal chart for this broker. For the intervals, I chose 5-second candles. And today, we'll be trading and doing technical analysis specifically on these. I only have $100 in my deposit, and my goal for this video is to add at least $1,000 to my deposit. Later, I'll show you which tool will help me do that. But for now, let's move on to choosing currency pairs. We're trading in OTC mode, and I'm adding stable currency pairs with higher profitability on this broker. After adding the currency pairs to favorites, we can now monitor the profitability on these pairs. If the profitability drops during trading, we'll switch to other currency pairs and trade on those instead. As for me, I'm switching to Eurodollar. Let's do a quick technical analysis on this asset. Right away, I'm marking the last minimum value with a horizontal line here. We can see that the price has been moving along a downward trend line for the last 20 minutes. Many traders would open a position downward from here. But this strategy is based on trading with technical analysis verification using signals from an AI-powered bot. I'll share this find with you, and using my own example, I'll show how I consistently earn on this broker and double-check my technical analysis with an AI bot. This bot is completely free. All the information about it is in the Telegram channel linked in the description. And now, let's move on to setting up this tool. After launching it through the Telegram channel, in the trade parameters, all we need to do is simply select the trading mode. We're trading in OTC mode, so I'm switching to that. Videos about Forex mode are also available on my YouTube channel. Feel free to check out the playlists and watch this educational content. Now let's move on to choosing our asset. I'm opening the assets folder, looking for the right currency pair. Euro, US dollar is on our screen, and we've already done a quick technical analysis on this asset. I'm setting the expiration time to 5 seconds. Videos about 15-second and minute switches are also available on my YouTube channel. Now I'm closing this tab and clicking to generate a signal. Just a few seconds, and I'm carefully waiting for this bot's technical analysis. There's a buy signal, opening upward with 66% confidence, and a sharp impulse gives us our first addition to the deposit, $91. I'm entering the new trade amount and reloading this tool. Without any issues, the bot gives us an accurate signal with perfect precision that the price will move toward a correction after this downward trend line. And that's exactly what happened. We opened the position down to the second, adding the first funds to our deposit. Now I'm reloading the tools and moving on to my selected assets. I'm switching to Euro Turkish Lira. Let me show you the full power of this bot. We'll open a position on Euro Turkish Lira without any technical analysis. I'm also selecting OTC mode in my tool. Euro Turkish Lira is on the screen, and I'm adding this currency pair. It's such simple trading, but trust my experience. With this tool, you need to and can earn. I've been trading with it for about 4.5 months now, and during this time, I've earned over $30,000 on my deposit. All of this is completely legal. The broker doesn't prohibit trading with third-party tools, so don't worry about your account, and feel free to start trading with this bot today. Now I'm requesting the next signal, carefully waiting for this bot's technical analysis. There's a buy signal, opening with 50% confidence upward after a small market correction, and a sharp upward impulse gives us another addition to our deposit. I'm entering the new trade amount, and we already have an addition of $267 to our deposit. I'm not planning to stop here either, reloading this bot and moving on to my selected assets. I'm moving on to Euro Ruble, also opening a position on this asset without technical analysis. We enter the new trade amount and reconfigure our bot before trading on the new asset. Euro Ruble is on our screens, and I'm also adding this currency pair to my tool, setting the expiration time to 5 seconds. I'll also remind you that this bot is completely free and requires no investment from you. All you need to do is open positions down to the second, according to the signals. Click to generate a signal and carefully wait for this bot's technical analysis. Enter a buy or sell signal, immediately hit the button, and wait for a steady boost to your deposit. There's a buy signal, and after a lengthy correction, with 56% confidence, opening in the upward direction, thereby adding another $705 to the deposit. Absolutely perfect trading, without any issues. We've boosted our deposit by another $600, and I'm not planning to stop there either. Reloading this bot and moving on to my next selected assets. Switching over to the Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. Also, opening a position on this asset without any technical analysis. I fully trust this tool since I've been trading with it for several months now. And I know that many traders are already trading with AI on their own, since you can request a signal from your phone or from any other personal device. So be careful and trade with AI yourself, rather than through some random third-party traders. Right now, I'm clicking to generate a signal and carefully waiting for this bot's technical analysis. $700 on the line. The bot runs its technical analysis and gives us a sell signal with 50% confidence, opening downward along this main descending trend line. And a sharp impulse lets us add another $1,353 to our deposit. I'm also reloading this tool and making sure to enter the new trade amount, $1,353. Next entry point. We'll add another $2,500 to our deposit. I'm also reloading this bot and moving on to the Australian dollar-dollar pair. I'm risking my deposit here, but I fully trust this tool. Also, let me remind you that this bot is completely free. By following the link in the description to the Telegram channel, you'll find all the reviews about this tool. You'll also see the full trading records with this bot. Let's actually run a quick technical analysis on the Canadian dollar-Japanese yen pair. The price here is moving along an upward trend line, and right now there's a small correction. So let's request our signal and carefully wait for the analysis from this AI bot. With a 92% payout, I'm trading at the maximum return offered by this broker, carefully waiting for the AI bot's analysis, and I get a sell signal. After a lengthy market correction, it opens in the downward direction, and a sharp impulse lets us add another $2,500 to our deposit. All of this is completely legal. This is exactly how you should and can trade. With this bot, we're now earning another $2,400 for our deposit. We started trading at 9:21, and in just 5 minutes of trading, we've added over $2,500 to our account. And I'm not stopping there either. The goal for this video is to add $5,000 to my deposit, so I'm switching over to the British pound dollar. Let's also open a position on the British pound dollar without any technical analysis. OTC mode is on our screens, along with the right currency pairs set in our tool, and the expiration time is also set to 5 seconds. Also, let me remind you that videos about 15-second and 1-minute candles are available on my YouTube channel. Feel free to check out the playlists and watch this educational content, as well as the video content about Forex mode. Now I'm requesting my next signal, carefully waiting for this bot's technical analysis. The price here is moving along an upward trend line. The bot picks up on this situation and gives us a buy signal for our trade, opening with 50% confidence in the upward direction. Within just a few seconds, there's another gain. And now, we're already at $3,843 on our deposit. Without any issues, just from this bot's signals, we've added over $3,500 to our deposit, and all of this thanks to this AI bot. We started trading at 9:21, and in 8 minutes of trading, we've added a pretty solid boost to our deposit. And all of this is thanks to this tool alone. Also, let me remind you that this bot is completely free. All the information about it is in the Telegram channel linked in the description, and it's also pinned in the comments under this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and the method should be clear to you by now. The key is to open positions on different currency pairs with higher returns at this broker. Also, open positions down to the exact second without adding overlapping trades. That's the main aspect of trading with this method. Also, don't forget that the broker doesn't prohibit you from trading with third-party tools, so you don't need to worry about your deposit or your account with this broker. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also support this video with your comment. And you've been watching the Ryan Trade channel. I wish you all successful trades. See you all next time. Bye everyone.